Hello. Thank you very much for kind of turning up today. This is the most important URL. So I work for Microsoft. I work with the Last FM guys. Thank you very much for Microsoft, because without them we wouldn't have been able to do this. Have a great day. Thanks a lot for coming. Cheers.
We're building an app to visualize the links between artists.
It's going to be a widget.
Writing code for the first time in 6 months.
I'm trying to build a Spotify scrobbler.
It's kind of secret.
If I tell everyone, then someone else might do it quicker than me.
I'm working on building a life calendar that sort of, when you add events to your calendar, tries to figure out music that would go with whatever that event is.
I was glad to be able to meet some of the guys and try to work out how to do some things.
And we've only got, 4 or 5 hours.
We'll definitely get it done today.
People love music. When you combine music with computer software, then people start, really enjoying what they're doing with the system. And so Last FM allows people to consume music, find new music, and just consume it on different types of devices. The great thing is, because they've provided an interface or a programming interface, an API, then it allows people to build applications that maybe Last FM haven't even dreamt of building. I always kind of live by the adage, you don't know what you don't know. But if you're an end user, if you're an enthusiast developer, you can take tools to build new types of applications with the programming interfaces, then I think we will see new types of apps which will just, when people see them, they'll go, that's exactly how I want to consume my music.
Now about 5 o'clock, and we've got about 2 hours left, an hour and a half, before people start presenting. We're more than just a website. We also want people to kind of be using our data in interesting ways that we haven't thought about yet, and then hopefully, that could feed back into our own site, and also just to kind of get people using Last FM in new, interesting ways.
A bit more work than we thought. We've been spending far too much time making colourful pie charts.
I've still got another hour, I think.
So I've never really done any of this before.
It's basically something that finds out where you are. It searches lyrics for things that mention that, and then shows you a playlist of songs with those things in the lyrics.
I'm working on a set of tools called Universal Scrobbler, and so you can scrobble from sources that you couldn't previously.
This is the last push, sort of thing. Try to get something done.
I'll have something to share.
I haven't really got anywhere, which is a bit of a pain, but I don't think anyone's noticed, so that's fine.
People are going to be presenting the work they've done today, and then there'll be a bunch of us judging it.
How many of you miss gigs for bands that you really like?
Unfortunately, a lot of our colleagues have an awful taste in music.
I wrote something very simple that essentially just looks at the currently played track that you're listening to, and then looks for events in the city that you live in, and then if there are, it pops up a little notification.
So we've written an application to allow people to take control of their office stereo.
The idea is that it's a universal scrobbling tool, so it's for all sources of music that you usually can't scrobble.
Emma's just got that correct, so it's changed to her radio station.
We thought long and hard about this. The first runner-up is Rob McKinnon with Gig Notifications and Growl. The other runner-up is the Universal Scrobbler by Cameron Ross. The grand prize will go to Star Wars FM by David Padbury and his friend.